In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to back up your Dialogflow agent or move it to another account or project by exporting and importing it. This is a crucial skill for managing your Dialogflow agents, as it allows you to maintain backups, implement version control, and share your agents across different projects or accounts efficiently. So, let's dive right in and see how you can do this step by step. First, you'll need to open your Dialogflow agent in the console. This is where all the magic happens. Once you're in, head over to the agent settings. You'll find this as a part of the main navigation menu, usually located on the left-hand side of your screen. This is your central hub for managing everything related to your agent, from intents to integrations, and now, backups and transfers. Now let's talk about exporting your agent. In the agent settings, you'll notice a tab labeled Export, Import. This tab is your gateway to either safeguarding your agent's data through an export or bringing in data from another project through an import. When you're ready to export, simply choose Export as Zip. This option will create a zip file containing all your agent's intents, entities, and settings. Think of this zip file as a snapshot of your agent at its current state, perfectly preserved for future use. Moving on to importing, if you want to add intents and entities from another agent into your current one, you should choose Import from Zip. It's important to note that this process will either merge the new content with your existing data or overwrite it, depending on the names and settings of the items you are importing. This is a powerful tool for expanding your current agent's capabilities with features from another one, so use it wisely. In some cases, you may want to entirely replace your current agent. For this, the option you'll need is Restore from Zip. This completely substitutes your existing agent with what's in the zip file. Essentially, your current data is overwritten by the new data from the zip file, so ensure you truly want to commit to this before proceeding. For those of you working in environments that support APIs, Dialogflow provides an additional option. You can programmatically perform these import and export actions using the Import-Export API. This method is particularly useful if you need to automate these processes within your workflow. After you've completed an import, it is important to check your agent within the console and do some testing. This ensures that everything imported correctly and that your agent functions as expected with the new data. And there you have it. You've now learned how to export your Dialogflow agent as a backup and how to import or restore another agent from a zip file. These skills are incredibly useful for version control, creating backups, or sharing agents across different projects. Nice work. Talk soon.